Hey there, fellow adventurers, I have something special today. Motorcycles are so expensive in Singapore these days. This is the next best thing I can afford lah. Check this out. Behold the LEGO Technic Yamaha MT-10 SP. This LEGO set may look very complicated, but the instructions manual is very simple and very idiot-proof. Even my 11-year-old nephew knows better than me.
Okay.
Building this bad boy is like taking your bike apart and putting it back together piece by piece. It is great for mechanical idiots like me to learn about engines. Just look at the intricate details. Check out the gears. And the inline 4 engine is as real as it gets. Rev it up, baby, look at that smooth ride. Once it's done, it's not just a toy, it is a masterpiece, perfect for your LEGO collection. Grab your buddies and dive into this epic adventure together. Teamwork makes the dream work. Stay curious, stay adventurous, and as always, keep the rubber side down, even if it's made of LEGO.